Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Stacy and today we are going to be doing day 5 of World Watercolor Month prompts. The prompt was Startle, and I did go in and draw this out with my Castle Arts Cool Gray Deep Watercolor Pencil. Sorry, I was taking a drink of water. This has been floating around on my desk for a while, so I've been using it. I packed all my other ones. They're boxed and up on the shelf, ready for the move, but somehow that one escaped, and yeah. Alright, so we are going to paint our startled male bird, because she loves him. She's like, hi, what's going on? Remember me from the party last night? And where's that red? Which one's red? That's Quinn Permanent Alizarin. That's the one I'm looking for. These are my core watercolors. Thought we'd go ahead and get in here. I want these guys to be kind of red, and he's going to be red, and I think she's going to be blue and purple. Okay, there we are. I had to change my battery on my camera. So, continuing on, I want him to be reds and oranges, and I want her to be blues and greens, I think. Or maybe even purples, I'm not sure. I haven't quite decided. We can make that decision together. Go ahead and go around those eyes real quick. Try not to paint over the beak. Get in. I don't very often do cutesy, so I figured World Watercolor Month, I could do a couple of cutesy paintings here and there, you know, cartoony like. She ruffled his feathers. Alright, I want some orange in here. Yeah, awesome. Orange. I'm going to pick up a little bit of the water though and put in more pigment. I want it to be more pigment than water. A little bit of orange, and then maybe some yellow in there. I'm going to drop some orange down here as well on his tail. And one of the reasons I drew him in with, well, the whole thing in with watercolor pencil is because I really wanted it to disappear into peace. I didn't want it to be a prominent part of the art. There's his little tail, and maybe just a touch of yellow in that tummy chest area. Let's get a little more pigment. There it is. A little more yellow through there. Gotta dig that. Okay. Gonna drop a little bit down here. Put a little touches up here. Why not? Like that. He's very flustered. She took him off guard. I'm gonna pull that beak out though, because I don't want his beak to be dark like that. Let's see how that dries. Do the same thing on her beak before I get going on the rest of her. Okay. Put her in. A little too much water. Just move it up here. Need to pick that orange up right there. Around those eyes like that. Ooh, my hand's shaking a little bit. Maybe I need to eat something. And this is just a fun piece. This is, I got thinking about other things and stopped talking. This was just a fun little idea. Just something quick and cute. Whimsical. A little kind of blue-green tummy. Let these colors kind of mix together. Up against that beak, but not any further. Like that. And then maybe a light spot on her chest. There's some green up there. Some green down here. Oh, that's cute. Alright. I think it's adorable. Let's put some... Oops. That was really wet. Not realize that was quite that wet. That was more pigment than wetness. Cute. Okay. Leave that alone. Let's go in here and grab some brown. And just haphazardly, kind of wiggly, wonky branches. We don't need them to be perfect. Look cute. Maybe there's some stuff happening over here. Over there. That. That. Just some fun loose marks. Okay, let's do our flower petals. I think we're gonna go Quin Magenta. Heavily water it down. And actually, maybe we'll put some. Do I want to put white gouache there? Yeah, that's fine. I can always. I'll just clean it later. Like a really pretty Quin Magenta based petals. And we're just gonna press down and create fun flower shapes. And she landed pretty hard next to him, so a bunch of the petals fell off. That's another reason why he looks so startled. She came in hot. Landed like a ton of bricks. Like that. See, cute. Cute, cute, cute. And then we can take some pure Quin and just... Oh man, my hand's shaking really bad. I'm gonna have to stop and eat next. Get some fun pure pigment in. Why not? Okay. And I muddied up all the gouache I put out. So we're gonna just, is this the gouache? Nope, that's the peacock glue. I have several tubes of gouache. This is my Holbein gouache that I got in an art box. I'm just gonna take some right out of the tube. And we're gonna put their eyes in with it. Nice big cartoon eyes. Like that. Try not to... Ooh, my hand. Make too much of a mess of it. Because that, oops, that pencil mark is, the pencil markings are getting to me right now. Let's pick up a little bit of this lower bit right here. There we go. Doesn't need to be perfect, it's just a cute little sketch. Fun little sketch, right? And his tummy is, there's some weight areas that are bugging me. Do that. Okay. Look. Let that be for a second. Maybe we should heat tool. That's awesome. Alright, and then with just a pen, I'm gonna come in here and get in her little I love you eyes. Her little I see you see me. Not quite as dry as I thought it was, but that's okay. Do some cute little lashes. Gouache is too thick on his for that to be effective. I don't know where my other pen went. That'll do. That'll do. That's just silly, right? I didn't know what else to do for Startle. Nothing else sprang to mind, so I thought this was cute. Cute little idea, right? Maybe we can make it a little more adorbs. Give him give them both some little bits of line art, loose. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Alright, I'm going to stop playing with it. I hope you guys like it. It's not my normal, but it is adorable, so I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!